Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shalaka Kushal. आज का वीडियो is the third and the last video of the Bandra Hill Road haul series. So I link my first two hauls so that you can go ahead and see कि मैंने clothing and footwear में क्या क्या लिया है, and also my vlog so that you can check out कि क्या क्या कलेक्शन है बैंड्रा हिल रोड में अपनी आंखों से एंड डिसाइड इफ यू वांट टू विजिट और नॉट. एंड आज का वीडियो इज कंप्लीटली डेडिकेटेड टू ज्वेलरी. आई गॉट सम अमेजिंग पीसेस, डेंटी पीसेस, ट्रेडिशनल पीसेस, एवरीथिंग स्टार्टिंग 50 rupees. I mean yes, starting 50 rupees, amazing pieces. So if you guys are interested in watching what all things I got from Bandra Hill Road in terms of jewelry, then please keep on watching. So without much further ado, let's start with the video. So now that I have zoomed you guys in थोड़ा सा, let's start with the haul. तो जो first earring मैंने खरीदा है, it is this झुमका. It is gun metal in color and इसमें पूरा mirror work है. It looks so amazing. I don't know कैमरा justice कर रहा है कि नहीं, but it is really amazing, so damn pretty. I got it for 100 rupees flat. I'll put a picture of me wearing it. It looks so amazing, so pretty. Such a great piece for 100 rupees. I got it from the store next to Lasa store. Lasa store के पास एक electric post है छोटा सा, उसके बाजू में ये भैया का दुकान है and he sells all the junk jewelries, झुमकास या फिर वेस्टर्न ज्वेलरी, नेक पीसेस, इयररिंग्स, चेन, एवरीथिंग फॉर 100 rupees flat. So you can pick anything for 100 rupees. So it looks so amazing, so good. I'm in totally love with this particular jhumka. You can pair it with chikankari kurta, sari, everything, and this won't let you down. I mean, such an amazing style. Next earring that I got is one of my favorite piece in this whole jewelry haul. It is this earring. It is grey and pink. I'm not sure camera pick up कर रहा है कि नहीं, but it is grey and pink and it looks so pretty. I got it for 300 rupees and जो store से मैंने लिया है, it is next to the Lasa store ही. Lasa store के बाजू में ही ये दुकान है and वो अंकल के पास they have amazing collection. जंक ज्वेलरीज का, ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरीज में भी बड़े वाले इयररिंग्स एंड छोटे इयररिंग्स. छोटे इयररिंग्स आर फॉर लाइक 100 rupees स्टार्टिंग एंड दीज इयररिंग्स आर लाइक 300 rupees स्टार्टिंग एंड ही वाज सेइंग 500 फॉर दिस वन, बट मैंने उनके पास से काफी कुछ लिया तो उन्होंने कम करके 300 कर दिया था इसका. एंड वो अंकल बार्गेन करने रेडी ही नहीं थे. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू बाय लाइक वन पीस तो भैया इतना ज्यादा बार्गेन करेंगे, बट डेफिनेटली ट्राई एंड बाय 2-3 चीजें सो दैट ही कैन लाइक थोड़ा अपने साइड से कम कर दे. एंड दिस इज सो अमेजिंग, जस्ट लुक एट इट, लुक्स सो डैम प्रिटी. The next earring that I got is this one. It is पूरा shell वाला ring. It looks really pretty and beachy vibes देता है. You can pair it with any bohemian piece या फिर even white kurtas या फिर white shirt and it will look so amazing. पूरा शंख shells है यहाँ पे and पीछे हुक है इसका. It looks really pretty and again this is for 100 rupees. I mean यार थोड़ा कम हो सकता था but उनके पास इतना सारा सामान था and I bought 4-5 earrings उनके पास से ही, so I didn't really bargain. So I really love this one. It looks really pretty, amazing piece. The next earring I got is this one. It has got the face, so it looks really bohemian and super like chic and you can pair it with your dresses या फिर denims and shirt के साथ. It will look super amazing. It looks really nice and I got it for 150 rupees. I don't really remember 100 था या 150 but not more than 150 and I got it from the uncle जो लासा स्टोर के पास से, जिनके पास से मैंने झुमका खरीदा था बड़ा वाला ग्रे वाला. So उनके पास से मैंने लिया था. So I think I got it for 100 rupees, 100 या फिर 150, I don't really remember but around that only and it looks so nice, very हल्का, not at all heavy on your ears, really amazing piece. The next earring that I got is this one. It is like really basic yet really amazing looking earring. बहुत सिंपल सा है बट स्टिल कितना क्यूट लगता है ये. एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 100 rupees अगेन, रियली क्यूट पीस. बट दिस वन आई गॉट फ्रॉम लासा स्टोर के बाजू वाले अंकल से, जिनके पास से बड़े वाले इयररिंग्स लिए थे, उनके पास से मैंने लिया था फॉर 100 rupees. इट लुक्स रियली क्यूट एंड रियली अमेजिंग. यू कैन पेयर इट विद डेनिम्स या फिर ड्रेसेस, एनीथिंग एंड इट विल look amazing. The next earring that I got is this jhumka. It is really huge. I mean look, ये मेरा 1 finger जितना लेंथ है इसका. It is really huge but still very light. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा हल्का है ये, बिल्कुल भी कान में heavy नहीं लगेगा. It is really pretty. It is again black gunmetal kind of color and नीचे पूरे घुंघरू है इसके. And you can pair it with चिकनकारी कुर्ता, साड़ी, everything and it will look so damn pretty. This was again for flat 100 rupees, so I'm very happy with this earring. वो flat 100 rupees वाले भैया के पास ना, he has got amazing earrings, jhumkas and everything, so definitely try out वो भैया का store and you will get amazing pieces for really cheap prices. So this one I got for 100 rupees and it looks really pretty and super light. The next earring that I got is this one. I already have this in white color, मतलब white stone में, but this is like colorful stones and I got it from that 100 rupees वाला भैया again for 100 rupees of course. It is really amazing, very light, not at all heavy on your ears. And जो मैंने white वाला लिया था वो भी मैंने 100 rupees का लिया था from Colaba Causeway, and this one I got from Bandra Hill Road. Really amazing. I love such earrings. I'm totally fan of such earrings. It looks really pretty and still very halka on your ears, and you can pair it with any kurta या फिर suit. It looks really amazing with that. So moving on to neck pieces, I got all the neck pieces for 50 rupees each. So the first one I got is this one. It is छोटा सा butterfly. It looks so cute yet so chic. You can just wear ऐसा ही कोई top या फिर any top या फिर कुर्ता and you want something गले में तो you can wear this. It looks so cute. Just look at the tiny butterfly. It is so tiny and still so cute. I love it. It is for 50 rupees and I got it from वो रास्ते में जो भैया लेके घूमते हैं ना stand, and उनके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे neck pieces लगे हुए होते हैं, उनके पास से मैंने लिया. Everything उनके पास होता है, हर एक neck piece होता है 50 rupees में. So this is the first one that I got. Really cute, amazing, such a tiny butterfly and so cute. The next neck piece that I got is a really tiny छोटा सा heart. I mean just look at it, so tiny yet so cute. I mean just look at it, it looks so cute. Again you can wear it with anything, shirts, tops, dresses, anything, and it will look super cute. It can make your whole outfit look so cute. इतना छोटा सा piece and इतना you can layer it. You can layer it with so many pieces. अगर chain वाला ये necklace है आपके पास तो you can pair it with that and make it a layered necklace and it would still look super amazing. You can wear it on its own या फिर you can pair it and layer it with any other neck piece if you have. So the next neck piece that I got is this one. This is a evil eye का charm वाला. It looks really pretty and again for 50 rupees. ये तो कुछ किसी के साथ भी पहन लो, evil eye नजर नहीं लगेगी. किसी के साथ भी पहन लो and ये चला जाएगा. And it looks so cute and yet so chic. Just look at it. It will go with any damn thing. It looks so cute. I mean 50 rupees में amazing steal. The last neck piece that I got is this one. It is a basic sort of a circle ring, whatever you call it है. I got it specifically for layering with my chain वाला neck piece. So I have like chains and उसके साथ I can layer it and it looks super amazing. या फिर if I'm wearing hoops on my ears, I can just wear this particular neck piece अगर मेरा neck बहुत deep है तो, so that वो बहुत ऐसे chic सा classy सा look देता है. Such dainty pieces, they look so classy, so minimalistic yet so amazing. It can make your outfit look so classy. इतना छोटा सा piece can change your whole look. It's really amazing. I got it for 50 rupees. All the neck pieces are for 50 rupees and सब मैंने एक ही भैया के पास से लिया है. वो रास्ते में stand लेके घूमते रहते हैं, उनके पास से. If you go to Bandra Hill Road, you will find ऐसे बहुत सारे भैया जो stall लेके घूमते रहते हैं, stand अपने हाथ में jewelry का, and every neck piece that they sell is for like 50 rupees each. So amazing piece for 50 rupees.